What's up, y'all? Quentin Flores here. Welcome back to my channel. I got something to tell you guys. You're only as good as your last haircut. So I got a good friend of mine. His name's Adrian and his brother Sergio, and they do tons of deals, guys, here in San Antonio, but they started out as barbers. So these guys literally took their barber business and created it into a multi-million-dollar real estate investment company. Not only that, they just literally blew up on YouTube overnight. They got 150,000 plus subscribers on their channel, which is Faded Culture. I'm gonna drop the link in the description below. I'd love for you guys to go over there and show my boy some love. So with that being said, in this video, we're gonna show you how they literally turned their barber business into a giant company and how they both run it full time while also being barbers and content creators. So I'm super excited to give you guys value. As always, we don't run any ads on the show. All I ask is that you pay the fee, like, subscribe, share. That's all I ask of you guys, and watch this video all the way through. I'll see y'all later. I've been coming to this dude for literally like 4 years now, dog. I shit you not. It's hard to get booked here because this motherfucker's always booked. One of the things that I love most about these guys is that they diversify the shit out of their income. They just got done doing some crazy stuff with AMC. Like, I don't know if y'all saw the AMC shit that boomed up in the stock market.
Buy and hold.
Buy and hold. I'm telling you, people pushing that shit like they're pushing Dogecoin, dog. Where can they find you, dude?
Faded Culture, man. Faded Culture on YouTube.
I love it, dude. What is Faded Culture to you, man? Like, what is that?
The brand as a whole, or?
Yeah, the brand as a whole and the mission. Like, why'd you create it?
I think, the direction that I want to steer it into is everything that we kind of derive from it. To kind of just teach people and show people the mind state of how we can grow either physically, financially, mentally, and it all happens through social networks or, books and things like that, bro.
If y'all are trying to follow my boy's channel, y'all make sure you check the comment section below. I'm gonna hook you guys up with the link. Man, I shit you not. It's probably, like, no doubt, best barbers in San Antonio right here, man. They've been doing work. That's why their shit's always booked. Like, I have to look at their schedule and book like weeks ahead of time just to get in here. But you know what? Like, it's badass because that's the level of value that they bring to the table. This is my man Adrian's older brother right here, Sergio, too. Get him on the camera, man. Show some love.
What's going on, guys? I'm Sergio Barron. I'm the guy that cuts hair next to Quentin's barber.
And you know what's crazy, man? Like, I love this about business too. Like, if you're watching this, even if you learn so much from my page and you use it to amplify the shit that you're already going on, no business is ever the same. Ever the same. And I truly believe that no barber cuts the same. They all have a different style, you know what I mean? And that's what gives them the regionality of their product. Mm-hmm. There's 6 things that you always want to look out for in business. It's people, place, price, product, promotion, process. And when you understand those things, you can create originality and infuse those 6 categories with what you do on your business on a day-to-day basis. Bro, so like, you got into the real estate space. How many properties do you guys currently, like how many projects are you guys on, like, involved in right now as far as real estate goes?
We own a couple rentals, and then as of right now, we've transitioned from wholesaling and flipping to now focusing just on builds. Right now we're caught up in the middle of a build. I know lumber prices right now is kind of putting us at a slight halt, but that's what we're trying to get involved in, is grow that now as builders.
What's the end goal for you, man?
The end goal, bro. Honestly, it's gonna be financial freedom, owning a huge complex, or developing big structures at that point.
I love that, dude.
That's really gonna be the end goal.
That was my end goal too, man. Like it was.
What is it now?
I feel like it's just massive, passive, massive residual income and
Yeah.
coming from like every single space that I can possibly think of. Like I used to think that my end goal was like 1,000 units in multifamily, and it just changed so much as technology has been involved.
Oh, I know, dude.
Like, bro, the YouTube channel thing, amazing play, bro. Amazing.
It's been a blessing with that YouTube channel, man.
If you guys don't know, they have a little over 150,000 subscribers. I think I just checked it
Show the
yesterday.
black.
Bro.
Show the black.
Show them the plaque, right?
Show them the plaque.
play button,
Where's
show
the
them
plaque? What has it done for you guys so far?
Oh man, it's brought in just even to begin with more income. It's grown. I feel like that's like becoming the root of our network, man. It's grown our Instagram. It's grown our appointments. It's grown like even just our price here. It's grown everything, bro.
That is true. Not gonna lie, I'm paying a pretty penny for this
They're paying a
haircut.
premium now.
Hey, it is what it is,
The
man.
supply, the demand is a little bit higher, bro. So.
You know what's cool with that, bro? Is that people will rise up to match your product price, dude. You think, does iPhone sell it cheaper every year?
Hell no.
Nah, shit goes up because they know the value that they bring to the table, man.
For sure.
And what I feel that YouTube did for me was validate my legitimacy as a player in the industry. Documenting myself, even if I'm cutting haircut or doing a haircut or I'm fucking buying a house or doing a flip or at a title company. The thing about it, when you have a giant social media following, guys, and this is imperative for anybody who's trying to build a brand, it's instant validation. That's what it gives you. And guys, there's power in validation. You get massive amounts of opportunity just flowing to you. Sponsorship opportunities, brand opportunities, association. There's power in proximity as well. The people that you start associating with that are at that level too, that are also reaching that 100K, 150K subscriber mark. So I had a previous barber before, you know, but she was getting way too booked up, so I decided to switch over here. Plus driving all the way out to where she was located was hella inconvenient. So, you know, these guys were right down the street. I fucking booked a haircut, I came through. I literally feel like my entire jawline and my hairstyle completely changed just me sitting in this chair. Guys, it's true, man. I said this at the beginning of this video before I walked in here. You're only as good as your last haircut. It's so powerful to feel good, because when you don't feel good, you don't deliver it 100% your capacity as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, as someone who's just trying to get into the space. When I go to the gym and I have a haircut, I feel like I can breathe, bro. And I feel better, like I feel all around better. And that's what these guys provide, man. They make you feel your best. And when you can do that to people consistently, you build a business around that. And that's why helping people out and coaching and doing all of those things are so powerful, because sometimes people don't see the beauty in them until you bring it out of them. So, man, I mean, are you super passionate about what you do, Adrian, as far as cutting hair and barbering and all that?
Yeah, dude. I think you kind of almost have to be, bro. Like, especially if you want to, you know, go somewhere with whatever you're doing, you kind of have to reach that level of passion, bro. So.
What would you say is the 5-year plan here? Like, or even let's say 10 years. Do you plan to continue to cut hair, or maybe cut hair at a higher level?
Yeah, I think I'm always going to cut hair. It's just going to be like you're saying, either at a higher level and just taking up less of my extra time so we can then focus on scalability.
Scalability is powerful. Do you think you're going to open up your own shop one day?
The goal used to be the shop, man. Ever since we started the YouTube channel, we've noticed how much there's like a lack of education. So now I think we want to steer into either a barber school, bro.
Yeah, bro. You see how goals change? That's my thing. Like, goals change with the times, man. You got to evaluate what the economy is doing. You see, the goal could have been owning a bunch of rental cars. Still is. That doesn't change. But now there's a bigger picture. That's the expansion of vision, guys. And when you're creating a brand and you're building and you're gaining presence and notoriety and people are starting to recognize what you're doing, everything changes, because you meet people that steer your direction into another way. You know where X is on the map, but the sale changes. That's what's powerful about business, y'all. No matter what you're doing, whether you're cutting hair, investing in real estate, flipping stocks, stock option trading, e-com, there's just so many ways to do it. You just got to find the way that resonates with you, with what you got, and what you got going on, what you're passionate about. I love real estate investing. I've always loved real estate investing, but I love coaching and I love teaching more than I love real estate investing. And it's not just for the amount of money that coaching brings, it's for the people that I help. That's what's addicting. You know, I can't tell you how many people I've taught real estate to that have gone into a whole nother direction, attended my events that I've thrown where I show them how they can flip a house without using any of their own fucking money, and boom, next thing you know, I'm on some stage and I'm in front of like 1,000 people speaking about how I did it. And that is probably the best feeling in the world, because I've helped people get into new houses. I've flipped houses before. I've made ugly things beautiful as well. In real estate, that's really what you do. You sculpt a house, you know? But I don't think anything's as more satisfying to me as helping people. That's always been like the goal, is to help people. And so the education play, bro, that's smart as fuck, bro. That's a multi-million-dollar business right there.
I know, and you've mentioned that before, to be honest. So.
That's dope, man. So from barber shop to education, my dude, that's crazy. Bro, but if there's any advice that you can give somebody who's starting out, watching this video right now, what would it be? Like there's these guys that normally watch my channel, they're either wholesaling, getting into real estate, or they have startup businesses that they're already running. You know, you guys just took what y'all were doing and took it to a whole nother fucking level. And honestly, man, it's hella respected. Y'all have massive presence in the space now, not just as barbers, but as entrepreneurs and people that are really just changing the game. You know, for the guys that are watching this that are just starting out, what is one piece of advice that you would give them?
I would say, man, just keep seeking that continuous growth. Don't get comfortable, man. And that's gonna be mentally, spiritually, physically, because it all then comes together to one. So do not stop learning. Even to this day, me and my brother, we sit and look at other YouTube channels and see what these other barbers are doing as far as like, how can we improve our shear work? How can we shave smoother? How can we do anything? And a lot of people, they cut hair for a couple years and then they kind of just stop doing what worked in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? So do not forget that, and continuous learning, man. I think that goes for any industry though.
It does. You guys are readers too, right? For sure. How often do y'all read?
I read every day, man. That's part of my morning routine.
That's powerful, bro. That's powerful. So for my guys that are watching this, man, my buddy's about to start going ham on my face. So, but I just wanted to make sure that I got both Sergio and Adrian on this camera. It's been a minute, man, since like I've been getting my hair cut here. And you know, I'm grateful for these dudes, bro. They're good people. And I bring business to them because of the product that they provide and the level of service that they provide and the type of people that they are. So guys, you know, even if you're getting your hair cut, I don't get my hair cut by no fucking just regular Joe Schmo. I want to get my hair cut by somebody who can meet me at my level, because that way I can grow, bro. Yeah. You know, and even above that, you know, you got to put yourself in a room where people are doing more than you. And these guys are doing that, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to plug their channel. Thank you so much, Adrian, bro, for just always being a fucking major impact on my life, making me look good and shit. Thank you, Sergio, too, for being a part of the video. Showing some love real quick. I'll see you guys on the next video. Y'all make sure that you like and subscribe and plug in their channel in the comments. Peace out, y'all. Peace.